Solutions are not always inside the company. They are not always inside your world. And most of the time, especially today, you need to open your world to external ideas, external people.
I think that this event represents a key word, which is contamination. Only through contamination of beautiful minds, beautiful business schools, great companies, we can really find new ideas, new ways of competing in our business environment.
This program is a great way also for us to learn some new things, but also gain an external view, an outside view of what perhaps could be better and what could be the cost of the future.
We're always looking for partnerships that bring value, that add value to our own experience, and ESCP is exactly that value that we're looking for in terms of internationality and building culture for innovation.
I think this is truly the essence of being here. It's how we can contribute to large corporates such as Bosch.